Gracious Givers Foundation had celebrated its second anniversary at a function that was held at the Bharat Scouts and Guides headquarters in Shillong on the 25th of June 2022. The foundation that was established in 2020 aims at providing support to the masses, especially the underprivileged, regardless of caste, creed and religion. The chief guest on the occasion was the MLA of South Shillong constituency, Sanbor Shilai. Others present included the Vice Chairman of the Foundation, M. Norin Dunai, school students, members of the Gracious Givers Foundation, besides other invitees. During the program, a presentation on the foundation was also delivered by S. Malimngap, while prizes were distributed to winners of the Open Marathon that was held on the 18th of June 2022.
A little hill, and the problems that surround them are just the mood they feel.
Kin mau raya kari kasi kinti ubarim baca shan kamu ho Jehovah haka pateng badaksa try baba yang banda ya karina kajima.
Whenever we travel in every part of India, we see our own brother and sister born and brought up in footpath, living in footpath, eating in footpath, sleeping in footpath, and they die also in the footpath. Why not come up with the idea in every part of India, in the name of their beloved mother, father, in memory, buy land and accommodate all these people living in the footpath? I was wondering, because this is the people